In, I am showing one house here. I want to show you the outside of it because it's a beautiful layout, but let me just show you, we're sitting on a cul-de-sac right at the end. There's a little bit of snow left over from the last few days, but it's actually generally a pretty nice day, a little bit windy. But today I want to talk about specifically basement apartments in Brampton because Brampton is notorious for having illegal basement apartments. In fact, there's 30,000 basement apartments in Brampton. Less than 3,000 of those are actually registered with the city. They opened up a new process to have your unit registered, but it takes you up to a year, and there's been just over 200 that have actually been approved since they've opened the process, so it's very challenging. But the problem is you could be sued up to $25,000 as an individual or $50,000 as a corporation if you don't have that registration status. The government has committed actually in 2018 over $750,000 into hiring individuals to track down these up and coming illegal basement apartments and really bringing the hammer down on them. So make sure you're protected. But I'm going to take you in behind the backyard. You can kind of see it's coming up behind me. In behind this property is actually a ravine. And what I also like about it, outside of that legal status of the basement apartment, is there's a door here that's walking out from the basement. There's actually 5 levels. If you take a look from in behind, it looks almost like 3 stories. In fact, there's 3 in the back, 2 in the front. A wonderful layout for that tenant, and it has a laundry room that's shared between the 2. But look at this wonderful ravine in the back. Beautiful willow trees, a nice stream that runs back there. And my clients are really excited to sell this house, and it's a great opportunity. Make sure if you're going to get a basement apartment in Brampton, it is legal, or you're going to be paying some hefty fines in 2018. Make sure you tune in to GTA Real Estate for more tips and tricks. We'll see you next week, guys. Take care. Keep it real.